The First Alert battery-operated combination smoke and CO alarm with voice offers twice the protection with a single installation. This battery-operated smoke and CO alarm comes with an easy-access battery drawer, so there's no need to remove the alarm to replace a low battery. The photoelectric sensor responds quickly to slow smoldering fires, while the electrochemical sensor responds quickly to carbon monoxide. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to assure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel chirp and voice to alert you.
Warning! Evacuate! Smoke! Evacuate!
Installation is quick and simple with no additional wiring required. The First Alert battery-operated combo smoke and CO alarm with voice comes with a 7-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.